Hey Realtors, let me ask you something. Have you ever in your real estate career thought to yourself, wow, my real estate website has generated tons of business for me? If your answer is no, you're not alone. 99% of realtors don't generate any business with their website. But what if I told you the 1% of successful realtors have a secret weapon that you don't? And if you choose to adopt it, your business will transform like you've never imagined. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Eric Chuang, and ever since I discovered that secret weapon, I've been able to help hundreds of realtors, experienced and new, in dozens of markets in North America with their online marketing. Imagine going about your regular business day and then receiving inbounding calls consistently to your office asking you to be their listing agent. I have to say though, it wasn't always like this. Just as I was graduating college, I marched into the world of internet marketing, making a living for myself selling on platforms like Shopify and Amazon by running Google and Facebook ads. While that was fun, I wanted to see if I can do more. So I started helping local businesses with their online presence, mainly real estate professionals. In the beginning, I was overly ambitious and naive, promising realtors that they will 10x their investments with my online marketing experience and strategies. Naturally, I struggled and failed, as my experience with online retail didn't exactly translate into real estate success. Until I took the time and examined every single real estate website there is out there and how they got customers to visit it, and that's when I discovered the one thing that changed everything: the responsive marketing funnel. Next thing I did was implement every single aspect and element of a responsive marketing funnel and called up my friend who had just gotten her real estate license. Within 5 days of our responsive marketing funnel launch, 39 people had left us with their phone numbers, and one buyer called in looking for $1 million condo. And we couldn't believe it worked and be any more excited. I mean, I was the guy that had just failed miserably in real estate marketing and got laughed out of my client's office. I was the guy who built countless landing pages and websites and actually ended up with a bunch of fake numbers. I was also the guy who couldn't qualify the right buyers and sellers for my real estate agents if my life depended on it. But there I was collecting the split commission check with my just turned realtor partner. Fast forward to today, and I am known as the #1 real estate marketer in Vancouver. And that's not because I'm super smart or anything, but because we all believe in the importance of having a responsive marketing funnel. With a responsive marketing funnel setup, realtors will never have to cold call or door knock anymore, unless they still want to. I can't tell you how a realtor's job and life can be much more efficient because the responsive marketing funnel will be able to reach out to new customers for you while you are out and about. And the pride you feel when customers call you, demanding you to represent them in their real estate transaction. And the time you're able to gain because you're not always cold calling or door knocking in a strange neighborhood, allowing you to finally transform from realtor to businessman. And the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you close 100 deals in 1 year, allowing you to retire your parents and take care of your family. No matter what drives your desire to close real estate deals, the responsive marketing funnel is the key. If you're listening to this, you're probably looking for a marketing solution just like I was when I got into real estate marketing. Someone who wants to find people who are in the market for real estate, reach out to them, help them find their dream home, and close deals with confidence. And that's why I think you're going to love your own responsive marketing funnel. And today, you have the chance to get us to set up your own responsive marketing funnel that can significantly do more than just a regular real estate website. .com Agent's very own responsive marketing funnel system looks just like a simple website, except it helps you prospect leads, generate buyers and sellers, manages them, and revolutionizes the future of real estate marketing. Here's how it will help you close more deals. .com Agent's responsive marketing funnel system is very simple. We can help you set it up in a matter of days, and you can be reaching new customers with it right away. Once you have a responsive marketing funnel, you're going to have these tools working for you to help you acquire more customers. Things like up-to-date MLS listings for your area, proven sales funnels to gather customer information, automated follow-ups so you don't need to lift a finger, proven tracking mechanisms so you know exactly what your customers are looking at, and an easy-to-use CRM to manage thousands of leads. With a responsive marketing funnel, I'll also show you how to get qualified people visiting your site and generating leads with insider story ads, Seinfeld ads, and offer ads. Once you see me walk you through this, you'll instantly get it because your marketing strategy will become automated instead of something you randomly put together and constantly have to think about. And finally, with the combination of the responsive marketing funnel system and ad strategies, you're going to have all the time to schedule new appointments with new clients. The bottom line is if you really want to close more deals while eliminating the time and energy to cold call and door knock, .com Agent's responsive marketing funnel system is what you want. And that's why you need to request a demo today. Once you do, one of our reps will be calling you to help you set up your very own responsive marketing funnel. It's just a simple process where we find out more details from you, like your area and your goals, so we can give you a customized responsive marketing funnel. Just click the link below to get started. And if that wasn't enough for you to take action, this will. When you request a responsive marketing funnel demo, I'm also going to send you my latest program, Super Conversion Method. The Super Conversion Method allows you to position yourself with your responsive marketing funnel to establish yourself as the number one realtor in your area. What the Super Conversion Method does is help you identify where buyers and sellers are when they are ready to be in the market. Once identified, we run insider story ads to acquire them into our responsive marketing funnel. And to make sure you fully utilize your responsive marketing funnel, in addition to the insider story ads, we're also going to give you the knowledge to run Seinfeld ads and offer ads. So click the Request a Responsive Marketing Funnel Demo button below and be ready for the future of real estate marketing. Oh, and one more thing. I want to talk to all the realtors out there who've tried everything and are still feeling stuck. The realtors who tried out Facebook ads. The realtors who thought Google AdWords was too expensive. The realtors who spent money on home value sellers funnels. And the realtors who threw away $20,000 just to build a website, but still aren't where they want to be. Or if you're a brand new realtor and have never tried anything at all yet. I know exactly how you feel. I did all that stuff too. Heck, I was so desperate that I was going to code a website all by myself, just to save development costs and have more advertising budget. And I want you to know that I've got your back. You already know this is for you, but I don't want you to feel rushed. Which is why all I'm asking you to do here is to request a responsive marketing funnel demo. When we hop on a call, I will show you everything a responsive marketing funnel has to offer and answer any questions you should have. And if you still don't think it is for you, I will not pressure you in any way to make a purchase and still give you the knowledge of the 3-wheeler ads and super conversion method. So you can't go wrong here. This really is the one thing that can take care of your online presence and let you be part of the future. So click Request a Responsive Marketing Funnel Demo now. Remember, regardless of your decision of setting up a responsive marketing funnel, you get to keep the 3-wheeler ads and super conversion method free. So take action now so you can be part of the future.